Ever wondered how a video with millions of views can come from a channel with surprisingly few subscribers? Dear viewers, observe the viewership figures for this best faceless YouTube channel ideas video exceeding 2 million, to be exact, 2.3 million. However, a glance at the subscriber numbers for these channels may surprise you. They have just over 35,000 subscribers. Despite the relatively small subscriber base, how have these videos achieved such widespread popularity, amassing millions of views? Additionally, you'll notice that other videos on these channels also enjoy significant viewership. The explanation lies in the current trend. Presently, YouTube hosts numerous channels featuring animated stories about Buddha, attracting a considerable subscriber base, regardless of whether the content is in Hindi or English. These videos primarily offer narratives that impart moral lessons or are of an educational nature. Now, turning our attention to the revenue generated by these Buddha story channels. They are earning a substantial income monthly, thanks to the high viewership of their videos. Additionally, here's an interesting fact. The majority of these channels produce their content entirely using artificial intelligence, AI, yet they are still eligible for monetization. With minimal video editing, these channels have successfully monetized AI-generated content. Now, you might wonder if it's possible for you to create similar videos. The answer is yes, absolutely. These videos are surprisingly simple to produce, requiring less than 10 minutes of your time without the need for sophisticated editing techniques. Basic editing skills are sufficient to create such content. Please commit to watching this video in its entirety, and I assure you that by the end, you will be equipped to start your own channel focused on Buddha's stories. In this video, we will guide you through the entire process of creating a video, from scripting to production in a step-by-step manner. Let's get started. The first crucial step involves script writing. To produce an animated story about Buddha's teachings, a well-structured script is essential. We will utilize ChatGPT for this purpose. Specifically, I instructed ChatGPT to help generate an animated story focusing on Buddha's teachings, presented in a narrative format. I will include the precise prompt I used in the video description below for your convenience. You are free to copy and adjust it as needed. Furthermore, I requested ChatGPT to segment the entire script into individual scenes and to provide image prompts for each scene. These will be invaluable as we proceed with the creation process. I would like to create an animated Buddhist stories YouTube video on Gautam Buddha teachings. I want to create it in story form, for example, in The Art of Reading the Mind. Buddhist story to read minds. How to read someone's mind. For this, I want to create a story, but I would also be using images for the video which I will generate from AI, so also provide the image prompts for each screen. Keep the story around 1200 words so that it can fit for a 5-7 minute video. And just like that, ChatGPT has provided us with a complete script and image prompts as demonstrated. If the story provided does not meet your expectations, there is always the option to request a regeneration for something more to your liking. I will proceed with the current story provided. Let's proceed by copying the entire script and image prompts into a Word document. Now, observe that the entire script is in English. If your intent is to produce a video in English, you may use this script as is, including generating a voiceover from it. However, if you aim to create a video in another language, such as French, German, Chinese, Hindi, or any other language, you have the option to translate this script using tools like Google Translate. This flexibility allows you to adapt the content to cater to diverse audiences. However, my recommendation would be to create your content in English, given the global following of Buddhism. Moral story videos of this nature enjoy viewership from countries like the US, UK, and Canada. Garnering views from these regions translates to a higher revenue per mille, RPM, meaning you earn more money per 1,000 views. Ultimately, the decision on which language to produce your video in rests with you. Consider your target audience and the potential for higher earnings when making your choice. Now that the script is prepared, the next step is the voiceover. You have the option to record your own voice, adding a personal touch to the video. Alternatively, you can utilize an AI-generated voiceover. If opting for AI, it's crucial to choose a high-quality, realistic AI voice to avoid issues with monetization. Notably, many channels producing similar story content now prefer using the Hudson voice from PlayHT for its lifelike quality. You have the option to use this voice or select another based on your preference. The voiceover can be obtained from this source. To begin, transfer the introduction section from the document into play.ht to create a voiceover. After generating the voiceover, save it to your system's folder. Repeat this process for each script. Now that the script and voiceover are complete, the next step is to gather relevant images for each scene in the video. To create images, we'll utilize Leonardo AI, which offers 150 credits daily, allowing for the generation of 30 to 40 high-quality images at no cost. However, if you're seeking unlimited access without any charge, this might not meet your needs. If 150 credits don't suffice for your needs, you have the option to upgrade for unlimited access. Our current focus is on utilizing the 150 credits effectively. To generate images, simply click on the image generation feature to open a prompt box as illustrated. ChatGPT has prepared image prompts for each scene. We will begin by copying the first prompt provided and pasting it into Leonardo. When selecting an image style within Leonardo, you have the flexibility to experiment with various options, such as Leonardo Diffusion and SDXL, to create images. This allows you to explore different styles and determine which one produces the best results according to your preferences. Specifically, for an animated story, the SDXL option might be the ideal choice to generate relevant images for your narrative. After deciding on the style, proceed to copy the second prompt provided by ChatGPT and use it to generate the second image. After generating and selecting the images you prefer, download them directly from the platform. Next, proceed to copy the third prompt from ChatGPT and use it to generate the subsequent image. Follow this process for each prompt provided by ChatGPT to create and download all necessary images for your project. You also have the alternative of using Bing AI for generating high-quality images. To do this, open a web browser such as Internet Explorer or Google Chrome and search for Bing Image Creator. Bing utilizes the DALL-E 3 algorithm for image generation. Once you navigate to Bing Image Creator, simply copy and paste the prompt into Bing, generate the images, and download them to your folder. This gives you two viable options for image generation, allowing you to choose the one that best suits your needs. Now that we've completed the task of generating images and have the voiceover files ready, everything is stored in a folder for the next step. We will use all these elements to assemble our video. The final stage involves using CapCut, a video editing software, to bring our project together. Let's move on to this final step and start the video assembly process in CapCut. To begin, open CapCut. Use the import feature to upload all your images, audio, and voiceover files into the software. Start by placing the voiceover tracks onto the audio timelines. Within CapCut, you have the capability to adjust both the speed and volume of these voiceovers to fit the pacing and tone of your video perfectly. Now it's time to synchronize the images with the voiceovers. As you listen to each voiceover segment, drag and drop the corresponding image onto the visual timeline in CapCut, aligning them with the narrative. After arranging all the images according to the sequence of scenes and matching them with the voiceovers, ensure you adjust the duration of each image so that they are in perfect sync with the audio. This step is crucial for maintaining a smooth and cohesive flow throughout the video. Apply this process to each step. To save time, I will fast forward through parts of the video. To begin, we need to animate these scenes. We will select each image individually, click on the animation option above, and select the style from the combo menu. I've selected the bend zoom option, but feel free to choose any option you prefer. I've also set the animation to full, which you can adjust according to your preference. We'll apply an animation style to each image as demonstrated throughout the video. Apply this process to each step. To save time, I will fast forward through parts of the video. Now the animation has been applied. Next, we'll enhance our video with an effect. By selecting Effects, we'll choose the Gold Dust option and apply it across the entire video as shown. You have the option to adjust the intensity and speed of this effect to your liking, or you can apply it as it is. We don't need to add anything more. This video is nearly complete. If you wish, you can add effects, text, or filters separately. However, these additions are optional, so I will not include anything further. One essential addition to this video is a good background music track. You can select music from the YouTube audio library during the upload process to avoid copyright issues. With this, the video is ready and render now. How to start Faceless YouTube channel. To learn how to create a YouTube channel from start to finish, including posting videos with SEO-optimized titles, descriptions, tags, and hashtags, watch this lo-fi video. Additionally, explore the playlist on Faceless YouTube channel ideas. It offers numerous YouTube channel ideas without showing your face and how to make a faceless YouTube channel with AI. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Feel free to leave comments or direct message me on Instagram. Now, let's play the video.
Begin with a serene landscape of ancient India, setting the stage for a timeless tale of wisdom. Introduce Gautam Buddha as a revered figure whose teachings have transcended time, offering insights into the human mind and heart. Highlight that among his teachings, the art of understanding others holds a special place. Introduce Arav, a sincere but perplexed young disciple of Buddha, struggling with understanding the people around him. Despite his earnest efforts in meditation and studying the scriptures, Arav finds himself at odds with interpreting others' intentions and feelings, leading to misconceptions and conflicts. Arav seeks Buddha's guidance, expressing his desire to read minds to avoid misunderstandings and live harmoniously. Buddha listens intently, then shares a profound lesson. True understanding comes not from reading minds, but from compassion, empathy, and mindful listening. To illustrate his point, Buddha gives Arav a challenge: spend a day in the village, observing people not with the intent to uncover their thoughts, but to understand their feelings and perspectives through their actions and words. Through his experiences, Arav learns the essence of Buddha's teaching. He realizes that by empathizing with others' emotions and listening to their spoken and unspoken words, he can truly understand them, thus transcending the need to read minds. Arav returns to Buddha, sharing his newfound wisdom. Buddha acknowledges his understanding, emphasizing that the mind's clarity comes from the heart's openness. The story concludes with Arav embracing his journey of enlightenment, ready to live with compassion and understanding.
If you're interested in Domo AI, how to use Domo AI video generator tutorial, click on the left. If you want to watch step-by-step Pixverse AI tutorial, free text to video, image to video AI, and AI animation generator, click on the right. Thank you for being part of this journey. Happy Learnify AI. Goodbye.